Hey, so in this video today, I'm going to show you how to deploy a WordPress website in a Docker container behind a Caddy reverse proxy that handles your TLS certs for you. So it's easy to maintain, easy to manage, super straightforward, 6 easy steps. Let's get right to it. Okay, once you're in the Akamai Cloud Manager, go ahead and up here, click Create Linode. Once you're on the Linode creation screen, we're going to select a region. This customer is going to want to go in Chicago. We're going to leave the default operating system of Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. The customer is paying for a 2 GB Linode. We're going to give them a label. And then I'm going to paste in a secure password for the root account. But I'm actually going to enable SSH keys. I am going to assign it to a firewall that I've already created that allows HTTP, HTTPS traffic, and SSH from my home network and blocks all other traffic. We'll go ahead and click Create Linode. While we wait for the VPS to provision, let's go ahead and deploy our AAAA, and CNAME records. Copy this. We'll open up the DNS area. We'll leave that blank, and we'll provide an IPv4 value of that. Now we'll deploy an IPv6 record, which will go right here. And finally, we'll create a CNAME to point www to the Apex domain. Now we're going to go ahead and log into our Linode. You will probably use the password you created. I logged in with my SSH keys to the root account. And I'm going to set up the time zone. I'm going to set the host name. I'm going to perform some updates. I'm going to create my limited sudo user account that'll run the Docker container, and then I'll reboot, and we'll be right back. Just watch this little time lapse. And now it's time to install Caddy and Docker by following their official installation guides on their websites. Okay, now that we got Docker installed, it's time to really chef it up. All right, we're going to make our WordPress folder, and this is going to hold our Docker-Compose file. We're going to change into the directory, and then we're going to touch Docker-Compose.yaml, and then we'll open it in Nano, and we're just going to paste in the data, the example compose file from my website here. And then what we'll do is we are now going to change into Etsy Caddy, and we're going to sudo nano caddy file. We're going to get rid of this, and we're going to use our example caddy file here. We're just going to paste that in, and I'm going to update this to our client's address. I'm going to reload Caddy. Oh, it wants me to run Caddy format overwrite, so we will do that. Okay, so now that we've got Caddy reloaded and we're back into our WordPress folder, we're going to go ahead and run the Docker-Compose up command, and now that will spin up the container. So if we do sudo docker ps, we can see that the container is up. And if we go to here, here we go. Our website setup. Perfect. So we'll just continue. For here, I'm just going to set up a quick admin account. And here we go. Just got to provide okay. Boom. And that is how you get WordPress installed in only 6 easy steps. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and let me know. Thanks for watching.